All right, so this property right here is 639 32nd Street. 639 32nd Street. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath property. It will be available now. We are at the corner of 639 32nd. In this direction right here, this is Jefferson Avenue. Right there's Jefferson Ave. There's no driveway. You have street parking right in front of the house. So once again, this is 639 32nd Street. 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Let's go inside and take a peek. If you have not yet, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. That way you get notified of new properties when they become available. A nicer one like this usually goes pretty quick. So coming into the front door, you're immediately brought into your living room area. This is your living room. You got hardwood floors throughout. Definitely recommend refinishing them or simply just painting them. It's a nice living area. Right here now is bedroom number 1. This is the first bedroom of 3. Right here now, bedroom number 2, second bedroom. All right, continuing down the hall. To the left right here, you see the spa home and drywall where the plumbing is. You're also missing hardwood floors right here. To the left, this is your 1 bath. Bathroom, pretty clean, really good shape, new vinyl flooring in there. And on the left, you have your shower. And now this is your kitchen. You got newer countertops, newer cabinets. That same hardwood flooring here. Really nice kitchen we got here. Really good shape. Really nice kitchen. And very last, right here is bedroom number 3. This is the 3rd bedroom. Bedroom number 3. Very simple, very clean house. A little bit of cleaning, a little bit of updates, and you are good to go. So once again, this is 639 32nd Street, Newport News, 3 beds, 1 bath.